As a realtor, I've seen a lot of homes and apartments in Chicago, and I'm serious when I say today, I'm showing you an apartment that has the best view in all of Chicago. If you're new here, I'm Claudia. I'm a realtor at Compass in Chicago, and the other day I went to tour a very pricey apartment. I got an email about this unit and it said it had 2,700 square feet, 4 bedrooms plus a den, and 3.5 bathrooms. So I decided that I wanted to see it in real life. This apartment is currently renting for $15,900 a month. But if you sign an 18-month lease, you get 2 months free. So that would bring the rent to $14,133 per month. Similarly to my previous luxury apartment video, a lot of what you're paying for isn't just the unit, it's the building as well. But I want to start off by showing you the unit, and then we'll talk about the building and all of the amenities that it has. So this is the entrance to the unit, and you walk into this wall, which would be a great place for like a console and mirror or some sort of very dramatic art piece. And then if you look to your right, this is where you look out onto the terrace. And then on your left, you have the obligatory Chicago coat closet and your washer and dryer. The unit opens up into this very grand living space. It has 10-foot ceilings and obviously floor-to-ceiling windows to show you every inch of Chicago. And this is the view all the way out to the west with a balcony that stretches the entire length of the living space. There's this closet off of the kitchen, which would make a great pantry, and it's just really nice for extra storage. And then you walk into this really beautiful open kitchen. I like that it's really sleek and doesn't make a huge statement because obviously the statement is the view. When people are in this area, they're going to be looking outside, so I think the choice of a more minimal kitchen was perfect. And just like any luxury kitchen, the appliances are integrated to blend in with the cabinetry, and everything is soft close. But then this side of the apartment has the windows facing the view that you literally can't get anywhere else. This is the view of the city facing north. It looks over Grant and Millennium Park, Michigan Avenue, Lakeshore Drive, and of course the lake and Navy Pier. I also realized that the video might not be doing the view justice. In person, it's actually unlike anything I've ever seen. I've personally never seen the city from this vantage point this high up. This is the 71st floor, so it just truly was remarkable. Parties up here would be insane, especially in the summer when Navy Pier does fireworks every Wednesday and Saturday night, and then the Air and Water Show in August. I know I always say imagine the parties, but it's just because I love a good house party slash dinner party slash cocktail party, and thinking of how cool one would be up here just makes my head spin. Okay, let's go see the rest of the apartment. So off the kitchen, you have this first bedroom, which also has access to the giant terrace. I would actually probably make this like a second entertaining area because of the terrace access, but this has a full bath, and just for context, we are here, and that other door leads back out into the hallway where the entry is. So this is a very nice bathroom with a tub and double vanity in here. And this room, out of all the bedrooms, gets the best view. This unit has a massive private terrace with lake views for days. And if we peek over here, we can see Soldier Field. So if you live here, you'll be able to watch Taylor Swift perform live from your terrace. If that is not enough incentive to live here, then I don't know what is. All right, let's go check out the other 3 bedrooms and the den. On the way to the bedrooms, there is a half bath, and then the den is right here. And then we have full bath number 2, which is connected to the second bedroom. All of the remaining bedrooms have this same west-facing view, and I'm sure at sunset it's absolutely beautiful, and then you still get the Sears Tower view from this room as well. Back out into the hall is the third bedroom that they have staged as an office. And they're actually offering this unit fully furnished. So all of the furniture in here could stay if you wanted to live here, which is really nice. It's expensive to furnish 4 rooms plus a den, a huge living and dining area. So having the option to just rent it furnished is awesome. And you can just move right in, not have to lift a finger. You can also obviously have them remove everything and bring in your own stuff if you want it as well. Okay, so the last bedroom is the primary, and these windows face south and these windows face west. So this room is going to get sun all day long. Bathroom is similar to the other 3 that we've already seen, and the main difference in here is that this one obviously has the walk-in closet. Then we walk back down the hall and back to the entrance. So that's it for the unit itself, which is obviously spectacular. There are a few things I'd actually change about it though, and I wonder what your thoughts are about this as well. So the first thing I'd change is actually getting rid of this powder room. As far as guests are concerned, you have 2 bathrooms off the living and dining room that guests can use. So I feel like having 3 this close to each other just isn't really necessary. And I'd actually change that bathroom to be a full laundry room instead of just having the stacked laundry in the closet. The second thing I'd probably change is having a tub in the primary bedroom. And I know not everyone is a tub person, but I feel like it's always nice to have the option in the primary to have a nice soaking tub. Everything else is awesome. So now let's chat a little bit about the building itself. So this building was finished in 2019 and it is a behemoth, okay? It has 800 units and it's 76 stories and has multiple levels of amenities. It's known for being the tallest rental building in Chicago, which is why you can't get this view in any other apartment. And it's also known for its amenities. Let's begin with the amenities that are available for the entire building. So starting with the pool, which obviously was closed when I visited sadly, but here's what it looks like. There's an outdoor area and an indoor lap pool. This is their co-working space, which is so gorgeous. There were several people working when I toured, so I felt weird filming them working, which is why I'm just showing pictures now. Their gym is insane. There really is nothing like this in the entire city as far as a residential building goes. They have every amenity you could ever ask for, including a 21 and up lounge that has ping pong and skee ball and a bartender and beers on tap that you can pour yourself. It's wild. Obviously, there's also a spa, a golf simulator, and a theater too, because why wouldn't there be? This building also has an on-site chef that will cook for you and have food delivered to your apartment, which is my dream. Okay, so those are just some of the amenities that the entire building can use, but the tier that the unit I toured is in gets a special amenity section as well that only the residents in that tier can access. So they have their own gym, their own lounge where they serve complimentary breakfast every single day, this stunning terrace, and this tier also has parking included in their rent. If you think of a luxury hotel and a luxury apartment building having a baby, this building is it. It has more services than I feel like I can even put in one video, but if you can think about it, they probably have it. They have 24-hour concierge, dog walking services, room service, on-site car wash, laundry and dry cleaning services. There truly is nothing like it. If you're interested in living in this building or touring it, my contact info is in the description box. You can either fill out the form or email me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I asked ChatGPT for the best things to do in Chicago, so let's see what a robot deems to be the best activities for a visit to the Windy City.